We have two stocks pumped over 100% last Friday, like Vlon when we hunted for this stock on our Discord. Before this jump, when we said the 40 cents should be our support, breakout zone is the 53, and the price actually hit our first profit taking the 59, then the 73 cent. And after that, of course, the price got rejected. When we went almost around the 80 cents, the price sold off. So we're gonna discuss if there's potential for reversal and another 100% for the next Monday. The other stock on our watch list hunt is GNS, where we did chart analysis as well in our Discord, and we discussed the breakout zone for GNS from this flag. So the price actually broke from this flag, but it still didn't break the important level of resistance. We're gonna discuss if there continuation for the next Monday. We might see breakout pre-market, so we have to watch out for GNS. CRZN. Last Friday, we actually tested the $1.19 and we got rejected. We're going to discuss the breakout zone, profit taken for it. And the other stock that jumped almost over 50% is XPON. The volume is crazy, over 60 million worth of volume. So we're gonna discuss a potential squeeze because the price tested our level of resistance and got rejected. But the price bought back around this EMA. So a huge whale bought before the market closed around Friday. And of course, we're gonna discuss Tesla and Nvidia, the current support that's been tested right now. So we have to watch out for those two blue chip companies for the next week. Before we kick our video, we got great announcement for our hunters. You can get up to 15 free stocks on Moomoo, and those free stocks are AMC, DKNG, Tesla, Apple, and many more stocks. And how you can get those free stocks is really pretty simple. You open an account, then you deposit at least $100 to get 5 free stocks. Then you can actually draw your free stocks. And why Moomoo? Because you get 0 fees, you get the real-time level 2 data and AI supported alerts. You can actually trade around the clock, full extended hours, and 24/7 customer support. And of course, Moomoo is regulated by the SEC and FINRA. So use this opportunity and get your 15 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video. Let's kick our video with Vlon because the price, as we suggested when we did the chart analysis on our Discord, the support is the 40 cent, and you see the accumulation we held, then the 53. Next time we have a breakout because this test of resistance we tested in our live streaming market open, but the price got rejected. The price broke from this resistance after we finish our live streaming. That's why we always do a chart analysis update for the stock that we hunt in our live streaming for potential entry and exit. So what happened? The price actually went for the first profit taken and the second profit taken. So we did almost, let me just check from this breakout zone, almost 36%, then the price went down. So always take your profit. You see what happened here? This is the FOMO price. So if you bought over the 73, or you never took your profit, you lose all the profit and more. We have to always take our profit and never re-enter. Because a lot of new trader, they re-enter over the other profit taken and never exit or have stop loss, and then they lose all the profit they made. So be careful, don't over trade and never re-enter after you take your profit. Okay, either you take profit percentages wise, as we said, the first profit taken, the second profit taken, or you never get in around the second profit taken. This is a recipe for disaster. You might get lucky once, but one stock can wipe your portfolio out. So be careful. So what's the game plan for Vlon for the next week? This one is pretty volatile. We might see a huge gap up or down. That's why we have to do pre-market update before the market open on our Discord and Patreon, which we do actually daily to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze. So we have the precise entry and exit. So stay tuned for this update. Next up, we got GNS. This is really good reaction for GNS because we have a breakout finally from this flag. And the price got rejected around the $6.40. If we go on Discord and see our chart analysis, you see clearly we did a circle around this flag. We said the $6.85 is the breakout zone. That's why the price went here around the $6.35 and got rejected. So we have to watch out for Monday pre-market, because this will give us a confirmation for a squeeze. So we're gonna do update as well for this one, because it's pretty volatile. We might see even a gap toward the $8 around this area. So we have to discuss the updated profit taken and the support if we have this price action for GNS. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we got SRZN. If you remember, we already discussed this stock. Once we actually broke the 80 cent. It was around, let me just show you exactly what I mean, around the daily chart. You see clearly that we pumped from this resistance around the 9th of February. Yes, 9th of February, and today is the 12th. So last week. So what we said the price will pump. However, right now we have updated level, which is this breakout zone. It's been tested twice around the $1.19. So the current support is around the 80 cents still, and the breakout zone is above the $1.90. You see what's happened here? We have accumulation. So there's someone buying. There's someone buying, because last time we got shorted, we bought back and we held, and we have accumulation here. There's so many 1 hour candle accumulating between the $1.20 and the $1. So there is a confirmation that the market maker holding this price for this stock over the $1. There's 20-cent range. It's really small for this stock. So we're gonna have a huge pump for the next Monday, preferably a pre-market gap over the $1.19. This would be a great indication for a pump, and this stock is heavily shorted before, so there's a potential squeeze. What I mean by squeeze is the short seller have to cover their shares and the price going really high pretty fast. So we have to be strategic as well. We're gonna do a pre-market update for this one if we had a gap. The first profit taking the $1.47. As for any stock that have potential squeeze, like we hunted before, like Vlon and XPON, they all go up almost 100% in one day, then get shorted 66%. You see this one, 66%. So we have to be strategic, take profit, never be FOMO, and never re-enter on the top price, and be disciplined, follow our strategy. Be careful, guys. Those stock is pretty volatile. You can make 100% in one day, and you can lose almost 66% the next day. So as we said, we're gonna do update for SRZN profit taken, the second profit taken, on the ultimate profit taken for the next week. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we got XPON. Oh boy, this one looking really interesting. You know why? Because we got mini rejection around the $4 or $3.80. But the price right now have a confirmed support above the $1.76. So what we should expect? This stock have to have a bottom above the $2 right now. Would be really great to confirm a squeeze this time around the $4.72. We might see a gap for this one as well. This month we did again almost 100%. So this stock is big mover. We might see another 100% after we clear the $3.80. However, the first profit taken is the $4.72. As we said, we might see a pre-market gap over that. So we have to do update profit taken for that in pre-market videos. Let's go very quick for the stock on my list for the growth stocks like Tesla and Nvidia. So Tesla, a lot of you asking me if there's a potential to short Tesla. We said no, not yet, because you see clearly that we're still holding above this ascending channel. Is really bullish for Tesla. So what's the game plan? The game plan for the next week is holding and reversing. If we have this reaction for Tesla, it's game on. Even if the price went down around the 180, we have to hold, then go to test the 213, then continue toward the 233. This is really good reaction. We don't want to have the price to go below the 180s, mean a bearish momentum down toward the 147. Then we're gonna have a reversal. Okay, this is another price projection for Tesla, but will take a bit of few days, maybe 2 weeks. Next up, lastly, we got Nvidia. So the Nvidia have an important level to have a reversal at, which is above the 188 in this box between the 200 and the 188. This is still confirmed that Nvidia is in a reversal mode and a bullish trend. After that, we have to break the 229 to go toward the 268. So this box is confirmation for a bullish continuation, like for Tesla, above the 180. For Nvidia is above the 200 and 188. Because if we broke this box, we'll be kind of bearish, okay? But if we hold, it means a reversal, then continue toward the 268 in coming days or weeks, okay? So we're gonna do live streaming as usual around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And before that, we're gonna do pre-market update on our Discord and Patreon for the stock that have potential to squeeze or gap up like Vlon. So stay tuned for those updates, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.